Yes, sir. Package delivered. See what it is. Come on now. Sheesh. Oops. Yo, look at this. Shit looking nice. God damn. God damn. Yo, this thing should give me a pair, but it should be a pair. Shh. That's just sneak peek. Finna do an install now. Alright. I'm finna do inspection before anything. See what fits. Look at this gook rock. Sheesh. You know what happens when this shit cuts you off now. Alright. I guess I'm supposed to stick a nice little screwdriver in here. But I'll show you before lights. But I'm gonna show y'all this what the before lights look like. What is that? I could barely see anything, bro. What is that? Yo, I could barely see that thing. How people gonna see me cut them off? Come on now. Now you can see. You gotta turn the flashlight on. Oh, this is before. I'll show y'all after now. Ooh. This should be easy install. Easy. Get the light up. I don't want to break nothing now, but just gotta come out. Yep. Screwdriver finna pop this off. The flathead. So this side a little tricky, but gotta put the screwdriver in this way on the left side. Okay, so this one took a little bit of force. Goddamn, had to take off the license plate, but it came out. So let me see what I can do. Twist this. Okay, twist this off. She just trash eyeball. Out with the old. Where's the new one at? God damn. Okay, here it is. And with the new. What the fuck? Oh hell no. This thing got fucking lost in there. Okay, so boom. Yo, this the wrong size, but shit, it'll work. Wait, look at this. Calm down now. Oh lordy lord. This thing looking too tough. Wait till I do the other side now. Yo, the thing was too small, so like, boom, how'd I get this? I had to, you see these little staple like type looking things? I had to peel them off, boy. Pull them out. Make this jump fit now. I don't get these shits, but you got me foot up. But I have still made it work. See that little metal thing? Yeah, just bend that. Okay, so look, these are the metal things I'm talking about. See this? You gotta have to bend these wires type to make it fit. Make sure you turn on the light before, so you know it's working before you put them back in. Okay, so on the right side, boy, you have to pop it out from this side too. I was type scared I might break this thing, but you just pop it out from the right side, like this side, on the right side. Simple. I'm gonna do the same thing on this. A little twisted. Get off now. Little trash ass bulb. Man, I'm gonna put this on. It's the work of a handyman, boy. All you need is some electrical tape to make this bitch work. Simple. Shoo. Custom bulbs, boy. What are you talking about? Okay, dude, I'm gonna do it for the side too, boy. This sturdy work. Sturdy. Big electrical tape. This not going nowhere. Yeah, sure. I'll shake it as much as I want to, boy. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Time to put back on old reliable. A little bit of this. A little bit of that. Hold up. Sheesh. Aw, damn. It ain't that bright, but shit, it do. I think I gotta put this down here then. Just blocking it like that. No, I don't do a difference. Yeah, type do. I'm bugging. Okay, this shit should not come off, buddy. God damn. God damn. Let me clean this shit right for y'all. No hizzy. These shit's just sturdy now. Yay. This thing looking nice. Oh, that's it for the video, bruh. A little quick install. Just had to do some custom work. Yeah, now I'm shaking. Damn. Thing looking nice now.